The smell of CO in the garage. Yeah. Yes, indeed. One of one example, blue water metallic on black leather, Napa leather, sorry. It's the usual, every week or 2 weeks, run it for half an hour, get that temperature up to get to a proper temp, and take it out once a month to get everything moving. Just came back from time service, oil change, and brake flush fluid. I am entertaining the idea of parting ways with it. It sucks, but having a garage queen that I don't drive, it's my fault not driving it. This is what happens when I get stuff that's, in my opinion, are unicorn or rare. I tend to hold on to them and not enjoy them. So now I came to the conclusion that an enthusiast should take advantage of this and actually enjoy it. So I've seen Doug's review on YouTube for that Le Mans Blue example. That was a nice review. So this is the unicorn, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I know there's only one blue water metallic with black Napa leather manual, coupe of course, E82. The other blue water metallic came with beige interior. It's not my favorite. Of course, manual as well. I reached out to the owner of that vehicle, the original owner, and several years ago, and he had like 90-some thousand miles, and he had traded it in. Excuse me. So this is the only one. I'm not sure if there's another one. You guys let me know. But it's going to be on Cars and Bids or Bring a Trailer.